Hello guys, so in this video I'll be showing you how to earn from this me airdrop, like me pass. I know some of us have forgotten it because I remember sharing this on Telegram and some people signed up, and I think majority have not been able to complete their me pass. So the token is available for P2P trading on their platform, and I'll be showing you everything in this video. So firstly, if you have signed up on this May Pass, maybe you are on my Telegram channel and you have signed up when I shared it then, but you haven't completed the me ID, this me verification, and you can see the me ID. If you haven't completed the me ID, you can see this super. If you haven't, then I will just implore you, just uninstall the app and download again, then create a fresh account so that you'll be able to complete the me pass ID as well as do daily check-in to earn the me token. This me token is now sellable and is currently trading for $5.38. $5.38. So you imagine any free me by just checking in daily, signing up, completing your me ID and all of that. So I'll walk you through on those information in this video. So first thing first, check the registration link in the description box of this video. You download the app, create a new account using the code in the description box of this video. Use the link to download the app, create a new account, then you have your account like this. You see how many me token, this MEC token that I've earned, MEC. And you can see scan, receive, send, meaning that it is tradable. You can send to, so I saw some people already buying this token just like the way we were selling Pi before they listed on mainnet, before they listed publicly, like this internal P2P buying and selling. Same thing is happening here, and that's why you're seeing the send, the receive, the scan. I know personally of people that are buying, but majority of you are not aware that you can sell directly on the platform. So instead of selling to those that will buy for cheaper, at a cheaper rate from you and extort you, it's just best you come here to sell on your own and for the current trading price, and you earn more, like you earn reasonably. So first thing, sign up, download the app, and download the app, sign up, then complete your me ID. The app is now working perfectly. So come to this me ID. This is where you'll be able to complete your verification. I think it's facial verification. You have to scan your face, do you're aware of this facial verification already, where you put your hand in the frame, do your head like this, tilt your head, you know, all of those things. It's just facial verification, as you can see. So that is what the me ID is all about. It's about you completing the facial verification. So that's why you have to download the newest version of the app to be able to do all of this seamlessly. So after completing the me ID pass, then this is how to complete the daily check-in. This daily check-in is what you do daily to earn the me the MEC token. So when you come to this on-chain check-in, I'll click on it. So you are seeing I've missed number of days because I wasn't consistent though. So yeah, I'll still click on check-in today. So you are seeing the word you have to type: enhance happiness for a better life. So I'll just go ahead and type this word as it is in this box, as you can see on my screen. Enhance. So here is how to complete daily check-in. You type in the word the exact way it's been displayed on the box. So you see, maintain ecological balance to promote sustainability. So you see the way they wrote the maintain ecological balance to promote, that was on a straight line, like different line. Then the sustainability is on another row. So you have to take notes, because I realize a lot of you do not know how to do the daily check-in. So once the daily check-in is just you completing the word in the box according to how it's been written. Where you see maintain, you put maintain there. Where you see ecological, you put ecological there. Where you see sustainability, you put sustainability. It has to be according to the way they've written it on the box themselves. So yeah, I can now click on this on-chain check-in. Then this is confirm. Okay, so you see check-in successful. You have signed in for one. Okay, I just click on go back home. They will have given me 0.1 MEC token. So they will have given me this. My total staking amount. Did I state? Fixed term. Highest annualized. Okay. There is also an option to stake too, for you to earn more. So now let's go to how to sell the what's it called, the token after you must have after you earned enough. Come to this explore. You see this DApp store. Come to click to join. I'm just joining too. So you see MEC P2P dot login. So yeah, because I'm just joining, I'll click on go to register. Then select registration method, register with MEPass or scan. I'll click on this register with MEPass. So I'm just going to complete the captcha here. And I'll click on connect. Hope it gets to connect today. Authorization successful. Let me go back and see again. Okay, congratulations, registration succeeded. The system will automatically redirect you to login. After login, you can bind your email and password in the personal center. In future, you can use your email and password to log in. You can log in with your QR code or MEPass. So do you take note of that information? So I'm just waiting for them to log me in. Then I can add my email or password. So guys, as you can see, the current price of this MEC token, $5.32. As you can see, it just dropped. Earlier today I saw at $5.38 or 33 cents thereabouts. So you can see this person is selling, or is it buying 64 MEC, limit 3 to 65 MEC. I accept Binance ID, Bybit UID, units $5.38, as you can see. So I can sell to this person if I want to sell. You see sell, you see buy. So meaning that all of this 10 MEC that I've earned, 10 MEC that I've earned from this platform, you can see 10.32. So if I'm supposed to sell all of this 10 years, it will be giving me like $50 and above. That's free money without absolutely doing anything. So what are you waiting for? Just proceed, download the app. If you have not completed your MEC ID, then you're not going to earn. You're not going to be able to do the daily check-in, be able to earn. You have to complete the MEC ID. So if you have signed up before now, the app has been doing somehow, but now it has been rectified and everything is working. Just uninstall the previous app, download the new one using the link in the description box of this video. Sign up properly. That's if you have not completed your MEC ID. But if you have completed your MEC ID, then you still need to re-download the app, then log in. But if you have not completed your MEC ID, just uninstall the app, download again, create a fresh account, complete your MEC ID, check in daily, then come to this transaction as I showed from the app. Then you can be able to sell your MEC token. You don't need to sell to any external person. You can sell by yourself. So I'm seeing someone buying for, I think, 1,000 was it 6,500 for one token, like one MEC coin. I saw 6,500, something that is being sold for $5. Look at the difference, 6,500 naira, and this is being sold for $5. See the difference. So I had to be like, what? My community will have to benefit from it, and that is why I'm here, to show you how to sell by yourself. Do not sell to anybody. Come to this platform and sell by yourself. You can see the current trading price, $5. Over $5 trading price. Don't go and waste your MEC token to sell for someone that will be buying 6,500 naira from you. You can sell by yourself, and this is how to sell it by yourself. If you do not complete your MEC ID, you will not be able to sell, and you will not be able to buy. So that's the basic truth. So those that have not completed, you have to make sure you go and complete so that you'll be able to sell and buy. So this is where to sell. So if I want to sell for this person now, this person is buying for $5.38 too. and it's buying 248 MEC. See how people are buying here. Like, let me still hold. Since this coin is going to be potential, seeing how people are buying, like, this person is buying 248 pieces. Let me hold a bit and see how the price will go further. So guys, this is how to buy and sell the MEC token from the MEC airdrop. Sign up, download the app, create an account, complete your MEC ID, and start enjoying free money. It's as simple as that. So also take note of this. Come to these three dots that you are seeing at the right corner of this page, so that you can add your payment method and all of that. You see personal center. This personal center is where you see payment method management. This email, this is where you'll be able to modify your mail so that you don't get to log in using mail ID in case of network glitch. You can just log in using your mail and your password instantly. So take note, you see password, security password, you have to modify and set this. This payment method, if you are selling, this is where you are going to add your payment method. The C2C payment method, add a payment address, select currency USDT. Then let me see which one I'm adding. Maybe BEP20, you see. Okay, I'll select BSC. Then enter the address, exchange name optional. I'll enter the address and confirm. You can see this is where you set up your payment information to be able to buy or sell, so that they will be able to send in your money, and that's it. So after you must have set up all of this, then you can come to the home page where we are seeing people that are buying. You see under this sell, I can sell to this person, I can sell to this person. The minimum this person is buying is 0.65, meaning that you can start selling from 0.65. This one is 0.8. This one is even cheap. It's 0.05, meaning that starting from 0.05, you can be able to sell to this person. There's a Binance ID if it's less than $1. Biggest, OKX accepted also. Okay, if it is less than $1 worth of transaction, then you should submit a Binance ID. Take note of the information, because this person will want to do internal transfer so that you will not get to pay withdrawal fee on Binance. So when you are submitting, you are selling to this person, you take note, because it is less than $1, you submit an exchange ID so that Binance UID, so that the person can just do internal transfer. So anybody you are selling to, take note of their acceptable forms of payments. You see, accept Binance UID, Binance address, and Bybit UID. So meaning that this person wants to be doing internal transfer. So take note, for those that are selling minimal amounts, small amounts, then you have to take note of the information that the buyers are doing, lighting here. You see, you can sell from a minimum of 0.005, just like we see here. So you don't have any reason to go and sell to any external person that will cheat you of your ad earn or free earn tokens. Just earn enough, then come here to come and sell by yourself and receive your money in USDT. So this is how this MEC token works. Sign up, use the link in the description box of this video. Use the code, create a fresh account. If you haven't complete your MEC pass, create a fresh account, then complete your MEC ID pass, and you can start enjoying by signing in, checking in every day. It's as simple as that. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to this channel. Share this video to your downlines. Let them know what is in for them from this free money. Stay tuned for subsequent updates. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you guys on the next one, and bye for now.